Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting a reliable VPN extension for Chrome before installing anything. Pick one with 256-bit encryption and a clear no-log policy. Check ratings and user count. Prefer 4 stars or higher and at least 10,000 users. Read permissions requested and avoid extensions asking for unnecessary full device access. Note estimated times. Installation takes around 3 minutes, and initial setup often requires about 5 minutes. Keep a backup extension option ready in case the first choice fails compatibility checks. Open the Chrome Web Store page for the chosen VPN and click Add to Chrome. Grant only necessary permissions and deny requests unrelated to proxying or tabs. After installation, open the extension and log in with a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication when the option exists for better account security. In Settings, choose a nearby server to prioritize speed or pick a specific country server for location access. Adjust protocol options if available and prefer modern protocols like WireGuard or OpenVPN. Activate the VPN extension before you browse or stream to ensure full protection. Confirm the connection icon turns active and shows a server location or IP address. Perform an IP and DNS leak test to verify your traffic is routed securely through the VPN. Enable a kill switch in settings to block traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. Monitor bandwidth usage and respect any monthly limits. Consider upgrading to a paid plan for unlimited data. Keep the extension updated and periodically review permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.